to my channel. So this weekend we did some shopping. You'll see footage of me at the dollar store and at Food Basics. So first of all, I stopped off at Dollar Tree, girl, because I had to restock my dental hygiene stuff. So I got some of these smooth gentle floss. I love them. Decided to look through the storage because I'm really into that like ASMR storage stuff that you see on like TikTok and Instagram. So I decided to see if I can get some organizers to put underneath the sink to organize some of my cosmetics, but they didn't really fit. I have this one and it's for combs and I love it. But yeah, comment below if you have any organizing hacks. And then I found these loofahs, but I found that the like little pom-poms at the edges were weird. Bath bomb looked aesthetically pleasing, but I didn't trust using it on my skin from the dollar store.
And then of course I can't skip the minis. Look at this, you can get nature spray deodorant, put it in your bag.
It's getting warmer outside.
Your that girl bag.
I absolutely love
all the
hair skincare in the minis. It's so good for
There's no excuse ever to be stink.
For your going to work bag.
Sprays the type you want. You can get these secret baby powder.
I was loving it, so I picked up a few. I'll show you a little bit later what I picked up.
And I did not know Palmer's had
what I've added to my work bag and
minis.
what products I like to use.
This is awesome. Definitely putting in the cart. You really just spoil yourself with the
and up your self-care game from the dollar store.
There's
so no excuse. There are so many items I can process.
Like, look at this travel size bottle. It comes apart,
and I thought it was really cool, but I didn't end up.
And it has 4 bottles inside this tin thing.
It's cool to see the dollar store has all
so
of the
useful.
Stuff that you can use and at the right price. Ladies and gentlemen, organics, their original line is the go-to. I love the deep conditioner. It's a little bit tingly in my hair, clears the scalp so nicely, and the rosemary oil to die for. I also have become a really big fan of Cream of Nature. The price is right with this line, and my hair absolutely loves it. I use the leave-in conditioner in this brand, and yeah, bouncy, flawless curls. I am thoroughly enjoying being passenger princess right now, and we are making our way to the grocery store. Okay. I think that's much better. So everything's in the Dollar Tree bag. Here in Canada, they don't give out plastic bags. I don't know where you are. Comment below if they give out plastic bags where you live. But yeah, so I want to twist my hair, so I got this from the beauty supply store. Just some expression here. I'm gonna do some braiding, maybe like big parts, make them sort of jumbo. Really cute. And then I got these picks from the beauty supply store because they keep getting legs and running, so I don't know where they keep going, but I got these picks, 3 in a pack for $3.99, pretty good. I got a thermal shield because I'm gonna blow dry my hair and I want to protect my hair from heat, especially since I had locks before. I don't really use heat in my hair as much anymore. What else did I get? Ooh, let me tell you about this. So one of the girls that I did a casting call with for a carnival, a band launch basically, let me use her edge control and it worked so well. I had to go out and buy it myself. So it is this, what is it called? True Edge Plus, and it's at the extra hold one. It's lemon berry scented, but let me tell you, this is so good if you're trying to tame those edges, especially if you're a girly who likes to lay those edges down and be beautiful with all of that. This is a definite you must try, and it wasn't too expensive. I think it was like $8 to $6 for a big container like this. That's another thing. Everything else I got is from the dollar store, which I'm really excited about. Dollar Tree to be specific. I got these degree travel size. If you're trying to stay fresh all day and you work, it's good to have some deodorant in your bag. And it was cute that I was able to find spray bottles. So I got these. I also got these clips because I'm gonna twist or braid my hair and I'm gonna want to wear it up. So I got these tips. Could you believe I paid $1.25 for these? Like, absolutely so pretty. I love it. So Dollar Tree, guys, if you want to get this stuff. Got some socks because I lose socks so much. I don't know what happens to them. I take them off, the cats play with them, put them behind the couch, like move them around the house. And also when I do laundry, sometimes they go missing. So I also got these green packages. They're so good. So this one is a smooth, gentle floss tape, but the string is much thicker, which I like. It gets in there and it's a lot more gentle on your gums, as well as this is the molar, what is it called, molar floss, and you're able to get right in the back effortlessly. So I got these two and they're $1.25. If you're buying your floss from Shoppers Drug Mart or those places, stop, go to Dollar Tree. These, just thank me later. And then I got this Palmer's mini coconut therapy formula. Usually it comes in a bigger container, but they had it in a mini, and I'm sort of stocking up my purse for work. If you're 9 to 5 girly, a like below, but honestly it's so good to have in your bag for the days when you're dry. The temperature in Canada has been really up and down recently too, so this is a good one to have. So I am seasoning some salmon. I'm about to prepare or season salmon to sit and marinate for a few hours before I cook, and I'm gonna do my hair. So I'm gonna take a bath and wash it, and stay tuned to see what I do with my hair and how it turns out.
Hey guys, if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, and comment on this video. I have more vlogs coming to you. I love creating content, and if you want to see kind of what's going on in my everyday life other than YouTube, check out my Instagram. It's Lady Ash with 3 underscores, and I'll see you in another video.